Welcome, today I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality into your OPPO Find X5 Pro. Firstly, open your settings, then scroll down and go into System Settings option, this one. Tap it, and in this menu choose Screen Recording option. And now we got Picture Block, so here we got Definition, tap it, and here we got our picture quality, so I made them low and custom. If you tap custom, you got to customize your resolution and bitrate. And for saving, click back. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.